What would be a good GMAT score to apply to the IIM Executive MBA or the one-year full-time MBA program offered by the Indian Institute of Management in India? Given that the GMAT Focus Edition testing is just starting off, and we don't have any prior benchmarks of the GMAT Focus Edition scores, it is safe to assume that we can look at the conversions for the IIM Executive MBA programs or the one-year full-time MBA programs. If we assume that the average GMAT scores range from 690 to 710, then there are around 6 benchmark scores on the GMAT Focus Edition that will suitably be within the range. Let's say you have a 635 on the GMAT Focus Edition with an 83.5 percentile. This will be equivalent to a 690 on the regular GMAT. So if you have an 85.10 percentile on the GMAT Focus Edition with a 645, this will also be equivalent to a 690 on the regular GMAT. Both of these scores should be good scores to apply with. If you have an 86.7 percentile with a 645 on the GMAT Focus Edition, which is equivalent to a 700 on the GMAT regular, or if you have an 89.3 percentile with a 655 total score on the GMAT Focus Edition, this will also be equivalent to a 700 on the regular GMAT. Both of these scores will be equally good to apply with to the IIM Executive MBA programs or the one-year MBA programs offered by the Indian Institute of Management. 89.6 percentile with a 655 on the GMAT Focus Edition is equivalent to 710 on the regular GMAT, and a 92.6 percentile with a 665 on the Focus Edition is also equivalent to a 710 on the regular GMAT. These two scores will also be equally competitive for applying to the IIM Executive MBA programs. Once you get your score, look at the percentile as well as the composite score. These two things should be compared with respect to where you stand vis-a-vis the regular GMAT scores.